Here I have MEIZU Pro 7 and let me show you how to enable the backup option on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Find and select the settings right here, scroll down, and here you need to choose the storage and backup. Let's choose the Google backup right here. Let's enable the backup my data feature, and then you need to set the backup account. So let me tap on backup account, let's choose add account. And now, of course, you have to have the internet access. So the device is checking info, and here you need to add the Google account. You can do it in two ways. You can create a new account by using that blue link, or you can use the existing Google account. So let me do it. Let me use the existing one. Tap next. Now let's enter the password. Alright, choose next one more time. Tap accept the terms of service. And here let's leave backup to Google Drive enabled. Tap next. And that's it, you just enable backup my data and add necessary backup account. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.